kindergartners, this is Mrs. Smitter. We have just got an awesome package that arrived to my classroom the other day. It contained some worms, real live worms, and some pill bugs. Some of you may call those roly-polies, and a couple plants. So I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing in science through the rest of the year. We're going to be learning all about plants and animals. And the first thing we're going to do is I want to show you about this aquarium that we're going to build. We're going to make a habitat for roly-polies or for pill bugs. So I'm going to put this together so you can watch this in your class. And we're going to be sharing this container when it gets finished. So each class will get a turn to observe the pill bugs, touch the pill bugs, and then maybe you can go outside and look for some pill bugs too. So I just want to show you what is going to go in this container so that you know all about a habitat for pill bugs. So first I'm going to take the lid off. The nice thing about this aquarium is that it has an air hole opening, so you can turn a little bit, give them some more air, and close it a little bit also. First thing I'm going to do is put some aquarium sand, which is tiny little crushed rocks, into the bottom. This is going to help for all the moisture because they will need some water in their aquarium, in their little habitat, and then the water can settle down on the bottom and not get all yucky and stuff at the bottom. So I'm going to put that in there a minute first. The next thing we're going to do is add some potting soil. So I'm going to pour a bunch of potting soil in here. The pill bugs love to live in the dirt. You can find them outside, especially if you lift up some grass or look underneath the wood chips on the playground, or even lift up a rock or some plants. There's some hard chunks in here, so I'm just going to crush them up a little bit because we want it to be good and fresh for the bugs when they move in. Okay. I'm going to make sure to even the dirt out, and then I'm going to spray it down really good with some water because the ground needs to be moist. That way the bugs can get a drink of water, and it can be a wet environment for them. And if you're around this aquarium, you might be able to smell dirt. Did you know that dirt has a smell? It does. The next thing I'm going to do is put in a moss mat. This moss mat, some of you may be able to recognize the moss. We find this outside where it's really wet and shady, not where it's very sunny, otherwise it'll dry out. This holds moisture in it so that the bugs can have a place to hide and rest. So I'm going to put that in here too. I'm going to spread that out a little bit. Okay. Now the last part is, this is the most exciting part. In here, I have some pill bugs. Some of you might be able to see the roly-polies in there. And I'm going to put them in the aquarium. You'll be able to see some roly-polies in there. One's in a ball. This guy over here is starting to crawl around. This is their food here. So we probably have about 3 or 4 roly-polies. Maybe 5. One thing I'm going to ask you to do when your class has a turn with this aquarium is to be able to find some twigs, some small twigs or some leaves, maybe some dead leaves on the ground, or some new leaves, something that you find on the ground that you can add to the aquarium. And when your class has a turn also, if there's anything that looks like it needs to be taken out, like any dead leaves that maybe the pill bugs ate already, feel free to take those out or have your teacher do that. So you can put some new things in there, some fresh things for the pill bugs. I hope you enjoy having this aquarium in your classroom for a little while and enjoy observing them and seeing what they like to eat and what they like to do. Your class will also be getting a copy of Next Time You See a Pill Bug. This book is amazing because it has all kinds of information about pill bugs. And it shows you pill bugs, how they live, what they look like, what kind of things, characteristics they have, what kind of things they might need to eat, and some of their relatives. Did you know that a lobster is a relative of a pill bug? Well, that's something you might learn in this book that your teacher is going to read to you. Don't forget, be curious, look outside, and observe pill bugs.